Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Profitec Pro 600. I came into the shop because of some electrical issues. When you turn on the machine, it would turn on for a little bit and then turn back off. Um, when I actually got it, it wouldn't turn on at all. It found out that had to do with some improper wiring. Probably, as the customer was trying to troubleshoot it before they sent it into us. Um, but, once I rearranged the wiring, I was able to replicate the issue finally. And it turns out, it ended up having to do with just a improper CPU, or a malfunctioning CPU. Here's the old one. These machines have like two little control boxes. One of them supplies actual power to the PID, and the power for the power supply for the PID is triggered by a relay in here. In the main control board, the relay inside of here failed. So we ultimately ended up getting a new one. Thankfully, the customer brought a new one, an M2004, which is essentially the same control board, but made by a different company, JTI instead of G-Car. But they're intercompatible. So we ended up replacing that, and also, after some expecting and testing the machine, I found that the group head was a little worse for wear. It was pretty dirty. And the brew lever, it took a lot of force, and it didn't really feel very great to actuate. Because of that, actually, instead of doing just a regular tune-up, we ended up doing a group head overhaul. So we replaced some of the main rubbing components inside of the group head. Then we could do this cam. You can see the sort of rubbing surface there. We have this plunger right here. You can see this surface here is worn down significantly. The gasket's been hardened. It's the same with this valve right here, perhaps a little bit worse with the valve. And then we also have this one right here. Replaced all of those. Cleaned out the group head. Here's the old shower screen. Replaced that. Here's the old silicone gasket. It's fine if you clean it up, but we decided to just, get a new one, since we're going all the way, to overhauling the group head. And then we also descaled. This is a dual boiler machine. We descaled both boilers and then flushed the machine, including a back flush, to get all the residue out. So right now it's on. It's group head's nice and hot. You have good steam pressure. You have water, and I'm just gonna do a test shot of the machine momentarily. So the cup here. This is just a test shot. There's a single basket. There's a single shot basket in here. We don't have it dialed in or anything. It might not be the best shot, but this is just demonstrating the functionality of the machine. See, it gets up to about 10 bars, which is, I believe, the factory for Profitec's. It's coming out a little slow. I might have overfilled it. In fact, I'm going to try again. Alright, trying again. There we go. That's a little bit better than before. So with just a little bit of extra dialing in, hopefully you can get a good glass of espresso. I'm going to stop it right there. There you have it. If you found this video, or you liked it, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.